Daylight peeking through the window and I still this all night walking to and fro little late I'm with the truck stop rolling. You sit down on this bank of the sand and watch the river. I wish I was back in the city instead of this old bank of sand. Sunlight beating on the chimney tops and what I love so close to hand. If I had wings and I could fly, I know where I would go. But right now, just sit here so contentedly and watch the river flow. It's free about everything here. If you stop and wonder why. But only yesterday, I saw somebody on the street who just couldn't help but cry. But this river keeps on rolling though. No matter what gets in the way, and which way the wind does blow. And as long as it does, I'm gonna sit here and watch the river flow. Stop it. Disagree about everywhere you look. Makes you want to stop and read a book. But only yesterday I saw somebody out on the street who was really shook. But this old river keeps on rolling though. No matter what gets in the way and which way the wind does blow. And as long as it does, I'm gonna sit here and watch the river. Watch the river flow. Watching the river flow. Watching the river flow. I'm gonna sit down on this bank and watch the river flow.